In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning photo edits using app.photoroom.com. Whether you're looking to give your pictures a professional touch or just have fun with your creativity, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So let's dive right in and start transforming your images. First, we need to begin by heading over to the Photoroom website. Once you're there, click on the Create link. This will take you to the starting point where all the magic happens. You'll find this tool offers a wide range of features that can help you turn your photos into something amazing. Now, once you're ready, let's move on to the next step. You'll want to upload the photos you want to edit, so look for the Select Photos button. Clicking this will open up a prompt that allows you to choose the images directly from your device. Take your time to select the pictures you feel excited about editing. Remember, the quality of your original image can significantly impact the final outcome. So aim for high-quality photos right from the start. After selecting your photos, the real fun begins with making some edits. You'll see various tools and options available for you to experiment with. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, and colors to bring out the best features of your image. Add filters for a specific artistic flair, or remove backgrounds for a cleaner look. Don't hesitate to try different combinations until you achieve the desired effect. Take a moment to explore and really get creative. There are no wrong choices here. Now that you've made your edits, it's time to see how much your photo has transformed from its original version. Look for the Before and After button. Clicking on this will show you a side-by-side comparison of your unedited and edited image. It's a great way to assess what changes worked well and if there are any further adjustments you might want to implement. This feature is very helpful in evaluating the impact of the edits you've made. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your photos using app.photoroom.com. With just a few clicks and a bit of creativity, you've transformed your images into something polished and unique. The more you practice, the more skilled you'll become. So I encourage you to keep experimenting with different images and editing techniques. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to leave any questions or share your experiences in the comments section below. Enjoy your new photo editing skills and see you in the next video.